एक आर्टिस्ट कैसे पैदा होता है। हमेशा जो फैंस हमसे प्यार करती हैं उनसे हम कभी रूबरू नहीं होते हैं। एक आर्टिस्ट भूखा प्यासा चल के त्रिलोचन से तोची रहना बना और 20 किलोमीटर पैदल जाता था दिल्ली और 20 किलोमीटर आता था पैदल। खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं होते थे और 500 रुपए लेके बॉम्बे आया था। आज आपके सामने मालिक ने इतनी बड़ी स्टेज दी है, वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे। वो जुनून, वो जज्बा, माइक पे सभी गाते हैं। बगैर माइक के गाना इतना जानवरों के पास में साउंड है, इंसानों के पास में नहीं। वो फायर, वो जुनून, वो मालिक ने अगर मुझे दिए हैं सिर्फ गाना गाने के लिए। मेरा मैसेज क्या है? मैं यूथ को क्या मैसेज दूं? जो जनरेशन गैप है, वो गैप क्यों है? शायद मालिक ने मुझे जरिया बनाया जाके ये मैसेज दे उनको। आने वाली जनरेशन ये है, ये कुछ लें जो हम भूलते जा रहे हैं अपने संस्कारों को, और वो धीरे धीरे लुप्त होता जा रहा है। जो हमारे बुजुर्गों ने हमारा कल्चर दिया, वो कल्चर से हम दूर होते चले गए और वेस्ट के कल्चर को अपना रहे हैं। वो अपना नहीं छोड़ते, हम अपना छोड़ रहे हैं। क्यों भाई? व्हाई? हम इसको लेके चलेंगे, ये मेरा मैसेज है। और एक गाना आपको सुना देता हूं। मेरी फिल्म आ रही है बेजुबान इश्क, चल रहा है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा एक गाना है। मैं मुखड़ा सुनाता हूं क्योंकि ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा आप लोगों का, कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है, बेजुबान इश्क का गाना प्रोमो चल रहा है, आप जरूर सुनिएगा। ऐसा क्यों होता है, दिल ये क्यों रोता है, जो नहीं था तेरा फिर क्यों उसकी आंसू है रे। कोई मन में हंसता, कोई मन ही मन में रोता, कोई मन में ही घरौंदा बनाए। कहीं छल के खुशियों के आंसू, कहीं रोए दुख से नैना। नैना ये समझ भी ना पाए बाबरा, दिल परिंदा ढूंढे रे आशियाना, ये ना जाने कहाँ है इसको जाना। ऐसा क्यों होता है, दिल ये क्यों रोता है, जो नहीं था तेरा फिर क्यों उसकी आंसू है रे। दिल परिंदा
And we have Urvashi Sharma, the Triple X Energy Drink owner, to please come on stage. Urvashi ji, aap please आइए stage पर, the owner of Triple X, and she's been.
And Vivek is always supporting every good cause that's out there. So thank you, Vivek, for coming here and being part of World Environment Day.
Mr. Bamla giving away the sapling to Priya Dutt ji. Mr. Vivek Oberoi. Yeah. Okay. She's going to give a few goodie bags, Urvashi ji to Vivek and Priya Dutt ji from Triple X. Priya Dutt ji, the ex-MP, has been taking care of Bandra from last 15 years. And I know she knows more than any of us about Bandra. I would like Priya Dutt ji to please share her ideas on the environment. Priya Dutt ji.
And also, Priya ji, tell us about your secrets of fitness, because it looks like you've been out there as well, doing your part. You're looking fabulous.
Not much, really. No.
Jogging at Carter Road, Vivek is saying.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Asif and his entire team, his foundation, for organizing this every year. And you know, this is a great platform for all of us, for all of you, to really come together with one voice on how we can save our environment. This planet does not need us. We need this planet. And I think that's the thought we should go ahead with. And we need to really put forth what we can do to help our environment, help our city. Let's forget what the governments are going to do, if we have laws in place or not, but individually what we can do to save our earth so that we build a better future for our children. So thank you very much, Asif, for giving us this opportunity and this platform.
Thank you very much, Priyaji. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
And Urvashi ji will give goodie bag to Priyaji from Triple X. We met this gentleman many places, share our ideas and everything. And the best part was he came forward for this. He supported the event. The great Vivek Oberoi. Big round of applause for this. Mr. Vivek Oberoi. And we have Mr. Ramdas Kadam, the Environment Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Ramdas Kadam. Thank you so much for being here. And we're talking about environment. The minister himself is here. Vivek, आपको लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. Come on. Big round. आप लोग जोर से ताली बजाएं तब तक ये बोलेंगे नहीं. And वो जो लाइन है ना आपकी.
And Vivek ji, I would also like to commend, in all good humor, of course, कि आप अपने jeans को कितना recycle करते हैं. देखिए ना. देखिए ना. See, he's standing up for the environment. Let us know what you're doing in your personal life for the environment. Share it with everybody. I'm sure it'll be an inspiration.
Thank you, Ruby. Hello, Mumbai. How are you guys doing? Firstly, यार आप सब लोगों को सबसे बड़ा, सबसे प्यारा मेरे दिल से thank you, thank you, thank you. बारिश हो रही है, पहली बारिश, सुहानी बारिश. इससे पहले गर्मी थी. बैठने के लिए जगह नहीं है, इतने सारे लोग आए हैं. उसके बावजूद, you guys come here, you support this event every single year. I just want to say thank you to the commitment and the spirit and the amazing people of Mumbai.
Woo!
I want to say thank you to Asif. He's been a really cool guy, working really hard towards preserving the environment. Aaj subah my father was telling me, he said ki the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So to answer Ruby, who also is somebody who works so hard for so many causes, wonderful soul. What are we doing in our personal life? Plant as many trees as we can. I think that's the most incredible thing. Small things to preserve the environment, save the environment. I have a dream because I've got kids now. Do bacche hain mere. So I want to give them a better Mumbai, a better India, a better world. I was just thinking that I'd like to be living in a world where we don't have to protect the environment. You know, protecting the environment is not part of our lives. Our lives are such that the environment is automatically protected. So that's what I would love to wish here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek.
And also, Vivek, one dialogue from one of your films, please. Something which you know they're gonna love.
Hey, Ganpat.
Chal darula, Vivek Oberoi. Okay, ek do cha line aur yaar, come on. You hardly come. People, you know, see you on these places.
You see, there's a line bars जो लिखते भी हैं और बहुत अच्छा बोलते भी हैं और कभी-कभी गाते भी हैं. मेरे बहुत घनिष्ठ मित्र हैं और एक प्रकार से बड़े भाई भी हैं, गुरु भी हैं. सामने बैठे हैं मेरे. So in front of him, I can't do anything, but I can only request him to come on stage.
Prashun Joshi ji, please come on stage.
Brilliantly talented, multi-award winning, completely social.
Absolutely, Vivek.
Socially aware citizen of India, Mr. Prasun Joshi. Guys, give him a big hand here. Come on.
And also, I must say, very patient, very quietly and humbly he's been waiting.
No, I was waiting for Honorable Chief Minister to come, and I was supposed to come on stage then. But thank you, Vivek, for inviting.
Ganpati Bappa!